How to import Slim SEO metadata into WordPress, posts, pages, products and custom post types. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to import Slim SEO metadata into WordPress. We've added complete import and export compatibility for Slim SEO. In this video, we'll see how to import Slim SEO metadata into WordPress posts, pages, products, and custom posts. Let's get started. Slim SEO Import Overview. Slim SEO has become one of the fast-growing SEO plugins in the WordPress ecosystem. And now, with the latest update of our WP Ultimate CSV importer, you can import and export Slim SEO metadata along with all your content. It works for both Slim SEO Free and Slim SEO Pro, and supports all SEO fields like SEO title, meta description, canonical URL, no index settings, Facebook image, Twitter image, and more. Prepare your import file. To begin, make sure your import file contains the WordPress core fields like title, content, or excerpt, along with all the Slim SEO metadata columns you want to import. You can use any format like CSV, XML, Excel, Google Sheets, TSV, or even zip. Step 1. Upload the import file. Now go to your WordPress dashboard and open the import/update page in WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Upload your import file from whichever source you prefer. Desktop. FTP/SFTP. URL. Server location. External source. Once uploaded, select your import type as Fresh Import or Content Update and then choose where you want the SEO data imported: posts, pages, custom posts, or WooCommerce products. We're now importing into posts, so let's choose posts. Click Continue. Step 2. Map Slim SEO fields. Mapping fields is the most important step. Use drag and drop mode or drop down mode to match your file fields with WordPress fields. Line up the WordPress core fields first, and then scroll down to the Slim SEO fields section. Here, map the SEO title, meta description, canonical URL, no index, Facebook image, and Twitter image field. You can also click the gear icon beside any text field to apply actions like field merging, formulas, functions, or even AI for automatic content generation. This all helps you to manipulate the field data during import. To reuse the same mapping later, save it with a name and click Continue. Step 3. Configure media and import settings. Next is Media Upload Management. By default, use images if already available prevents image duplicates in your media library. You can switch to always create as new or overwrite existing images. If you want external images downloaded directly to your media library, enable the Download Post Content External Images to Media option. Next, in the Import Configuration area, you can turn on Maintenance Mode, enable rollback for safety backup and site revert. Use iteration for large-scale imports. Apply filters like categories for specific records import. And handle duplicates by choosing an identifier such as title or ID. Also, if you want the import to run automatically at intervals, you can schedule it from here. Otherwise, click Import to run immediately. Step 4. Verify imported Slim SEO metadata. Once the import is complete, you'll see a pop-up confirmation. You can download summary logs and failed media logs from here as CSVs. If you close the pop-up, you'll land on the results page showing the status of every record. Click the Edit Post link to any record to open it in WordPress Edit View. Check a few posts or products to make sure all Slim SEO metadata has been populated correctly. That's it. You've successfully imported Slim SEO metadata into WordPress posts. The same procedure is followed for pages, custom post types, and WooCommerce products imports. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Have questions or stuck anywhere? Drop a comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching.